Have you ever wondered why some people breeze through accounting software like QuickBooks while others struggle? Is it the software itself, or is it the user's background in accounting that makes the difference? Today, we're diving deep into the question, is QuickBooks accounting hard? Before we get started, if you're interested in additional resources, be sure to check out the links in the description below. QuickBooks is one of the most popular accounting software solutions available today, used by businesses of all sizes. It offers a range of features designed to help manage finances, from tracking income and expenses to generating reports and preparing taxes. However, with its comprehensive capabilities comes a question that many potential users ask. How difficult is it to learn and use QuickBooks? The learning curve. For many beginners, QuickBooks can present a steep learning curve. The difficulty largely hinges on prior knowledge of accounting principles. If you're familiar with basic concepts like debits and credits, accounts payable and receivable, and financial statements, you may find QuickBooks relatively easy to navigate. In fact, many users report becoming proficient within 2 to 4 weeks of consistent practice. However, for those without any background in accounting, the experience can be quite different. Learning essential terms and principles while simultaneously trying to master the software can be overwhelming. Users often find that they need to grasp fundamental concepts before they can effectively use QuickBooks. Factors influencing difficulty. Several factors influence how hard or easy it is to learn QuickBooks. Prior accounting knowledge. Those with a solid foundation in accounting will likely find it easier to learn QuickBooks than someone starting from scratch. Time commitment. The amount of time you can dedicate to learning will significantly impact your proficiency. Regular practice and study can accelerate your learning process. Version of QuickBooks. Different versions of QuickBooks, like online versus desktop, have varying levels of complexity and features. Generally, QuickBooks Online is considered more user-friendly for beginners. Common challenges. While many users find QuickBooks manageable, there are specific challenges that can arise. Complex features. As you delve deeper into the software, features such as custom reporting and advanced reconciliation can become complex. Users often need additional training or resources to fully understand these functionalities. Frequent updates. QuickBooks frequently updates its software, introducing new features and changes. Keeping up with these updates can be challenging for users who are still mastering the basics. Mistakes can be costly. One of the risks of using accounting software without adequate knowledge is the potential for errors. Incorrect entries can lead to messy books, which may result in time-consuming corrections and even tax liabilities. Strategies for learning QuickBooks. If you're feeling daunted by the prospect of learning QuickBooks, don't worry. There are numerous strategies you can employ to make the learning process smoother. Utilize online resources. The internet is filled with tutorials, forums, and videos dedicated to teaching QuickBooks. Websites like YouTube offer countless instructional videos that cater to different learning styles. Engaging with these resources can provide clarity on confusing topics and help reinforce your understanding. Take a course. Consider enrolling in an online course or attending a workshop focused on QuickBooks. Many platforms offer structured learning paths that guide you through both basic and advanced features with expert instruction. Practice regularly. Like any skill, regular practice is crucial when learning QuickBooks. Set aside time each week to work within the software. Experimenting with different functions will help solidify your knowledge. Join a community. Joining online communities or forums related to QuickBooks can provide support and answer questions as they arise. Engaging with others who are also learning can make the process more enjoyable and less isolating. Real user experiences. To better understand how people feel about using QuickBooks, let's look at some real user experiences. Positive feedback. Many users report that after initial struggles, they found QuickBooks intuitive and user-friendly. They highlight how quickly they were able to grasp basic functionalities once they dedicated time to learning. Struggles without background knowledge. Conversely, some users have shared their frustrations when starting without any accounting background. They emphasize that while they could eventually learn the software, it took longer than expected due to their unfamiliarity with foundational concepts. Learning on the job. A common theme among new users is that many learned how to use QuickBooks on the job without prior experience. This hands-on approach often leads to quicker understanding as they apply what they learn in real-time situations. So, is QuickBooks accounting hard? The answer isn't straightforward. It depends on various factors such as your prior knowledge of accounting principles, your dedication to learning, and which version of QuickBooks you choose to use. For those willing to invest time in learning and practicing, QuickBooks can become an invaluable tool for managing finances efficiently. While there may be challenges along the way, resources are abundant to help guide you through. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time.